So firstly मैम गुड टू सी यू।
नाइस टू सी यू।
आज का इवेंट एक अगर अकॉर्डिंग टू मी बहुत इमोशनल है
जी।
कि ऐसी चीज़ें अवेयरनेस लोगों तक पहुंचाना हालांकि हर किसी को पता है बट इनिशिएटिव लेना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है और आपने इतने सालों से इसे कैरी किया है।
जी।
तो फर्स्टली क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
मैं सिर्फ पहले तो कहना चाहूँगी, सबका धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी। जितने भी हमारे डॉक्टर्स आज आए हैं, हमारे डोनर्स यहाँ हैं, हमारी पूरी टीम जिनके विदाउट देम आई वुडंट हैव बीन एबल टू डू एनीथिंग। एंड आई थिंक दिस जो प्रोग्राम हमने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है वो आम आदमी के लिए किया है। हर जो कोई जानना चाहे कि कैंसर, व्हाट इज़ कैंसर, सबके दिमाग में एक ही चीज़ है, कैंसर मीन्स डेथ, कैंसर मीन्स गिव अप होप। दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रू और दैट इज़ द मिथ विच वी वांट टू ब्रेक। इसीलिए हमने ये प्रोग्राम आयोजित किया है ताकि हम लोगों को बता सकें दैट अर्ली डिटेक्शन कैन सेव योर लाइफ।
एंड आप फाउंडेशन की बात करें, नरगिस दत्त फाउंडेशन, वो किस तरीके से हेल्पफुल रहता है लोगों को और लोग उससे कैसे जुड़ते हैं?
जी, सो नरगिस दत्त फाउंडेशन अभी 42 इयर्स हो गए हैं एंड हम कैंसर में फोकस हमने हमेशा की है। हम पेशेंट केयर करते हैं, हम पेशेंट्स नेविगेशन बेसिकली उनकी हर सुविधा, हम सिर्फ पैसे नहीं देते हैं पेशेंट्स के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, हम उनकी पूरी देखभाल करते हैं। जैसे पेशेंट जो इंडिया के बाहर से आ रहा है उसको रहने की जगह हम वी ऑर्गेनाइज दैट, वी ऑर्गेनाइज न्यूट्रिशन किट्स वेरेवर एंड नीडेड, वी ऑर्गेनाइज इवन देयर ट्रीटमेंट फैसिलिटी, we ensure that patient doesn't abandon their treatment because of lack of funds. That is our main criteria. Plus, of course, early detection camps are very, very important, which we feel is the only way we can, kind of control the load of cancer in our country.
हालांकि मैम आप जुड़ी हैं, हालांकि आप अभिनेत्री नहीं हैं बट जुड़ी हैं उससे, तो किस तरीके से वहाँ से सहयोग मिलती है? और फर्स्टली आपके ब्रदर किस तरीके से जुड़े हैं?
मेरे भाई बहुत सपोर्टिव हैं। वो ज़्यादा जो हम फाउंडेशन का काम है मैं ही देखती हूँ। और लेकिन देखिए सिर्फ बॉलीवुड ही नहीं, आई थिंक हर कोई इंसान जो ये प्रॉब्लम को महसूस करता है, और मैंने देखा है कि कैंसर ऐसी चीज़ है जिसने सभी को कहीं ना कहीं टच किया है। किसी का फ्रेंड, किसी के फैमिली में, सबको कहीं ना कहीं टच किया है। एंड ऐसे जो लोग हैं वो हमेशा सपोर्ट करते हैं।
राइट। अगर मैं गवर्नमेंट की बात करूँ मैम, तो जब भी कैंसर पेशेंट को कैंसर होता है
जी,
हालांकि जैसे हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं उन्हें फर्स्टली वहाँ के माहौल देखकर अलग बीमारी पकड़ती है और राइट वहाँ से आने के बाद एक अलग बीमारी। कहीं ना कहीं गवर्नमेंट हर चीज़ दे रही है बट वो चीज़ें जो इंसान के मेंटली हेल्थ पर प्रॉब्लम पड़ती वो अभी भी नहीं है।
देखिए हमारा देश बहुत बड़ा देश है,
राइट,
पॉपुलेशन भी बहुत बड़ा है, बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है। अगर आप टाटा मेमोरियल भी चले जाएं, आप देखें कि हद से ज़्यादा लोग हैं वहाँ, जिनकी कैपेसिटी से ज़्यादा लोग पेशेंट्स वहाँ होते हैं। और मैं हैट्स ऑफ टू ऑल द डॉक्टर्स वहाँ जो दिन रात काम करते रहते हैं एंड ट्राई एंड डू देयर बेस्ट। सो मैं समझती हूँ कि आई थिंक एवरीवेयर दे आर डूइंग देयर बिट, दे आर डूइंग देयर बेस्ट एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी विल कीप इम्प्रूविंग। हम 1981 में कहाँ थे और आज कहाँ हैं, तो बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है, बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है। आज with God's grace we've got the best doctors, the best hospitals, so there has been a lot of change.
बट आज देखते हैं हॉस्पिटल्स में, चाहे वो प्राइवेट हो गवर्नमेंट है, कहीं ना कहीं लोग रिकवर हो जाते हैं।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
उस टाइम पे रहते हैं नरगिस मैम, आज भी रहते हैं
शायद ऑफ कोर्स।
याद करती हूँ उनके लिए, कुछ बोलना चाहें आप?
मैं हमेशा आई थिंक ये नरगिस दत्त फाउंडेशन के द्वारा वो हमेशा हमारे दिल में ज़िंदा हैं एंड मेरे पिताजी हमेशा ज़िंदा हैं, so I think I've never felt that she's not there or my father's not there. They have always been there by my side and I'm sure they'll be here today also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
मैंने ले लिया।
Yay! thank you so much once again. Thank you so much Nargis Dutt Foundation and Priya ma'am for having me here. Like I was mentioning, मेरा hat trick हो चुका है. तो
of Nargis Dutt Foundation to address us.
It's an absolute, can you hear me? Yes. It's an absolute pleasure for me to be here, and I want to thank all of you who are here today supporting this about cancer. Dispel the myths about cancer. And to support us, every year we have our friends, our families, our donors, our supporters, but most of all, we have our special guests, whom I can't thank enough from the bottom of my heart. Most of you know the history of Nargis Dutt Foundation, so I'm not going to dwell too much into that. Just very briefly, it is an organization which started 42 years ago with a focus on cancer care in India. In 1981, after my mother passed away from cancer, we set up the Cancer Foundation in New York, which was its first chapter. And the money would be raised in the US by the Indian community there. And the funds would be sent to India to equip rural hospitals with cancer care equipment. And like that, we equipped more than 100 plus hospitals in rural India. So the fight and all that goes with it. In our foundation, our focus is to work with the poorest of the poorest, give up hope immediately. Because the questions that arise in their head is, what will happen if I have cancer? I'm going to die anyway, and I don't have the money for any kind of treatment. That is the myth we want to dispel among them. Many people who have curable cancers come too late to doctors for treatment. A breast cancer patient will come at the last stage, or a cervical cancer patient will come at a last stage because they do not go for their early detection. So the purpose of this Cancer Awareness Day is to create that awareness on early detection so that the treatment is easy, economical, and the cure rate is high. To be with us today, we have very eminent people who are going to speak to you. We have eminent doctors who have taken time out from their very, very busy schedules, and you know how busy doctors are. So I'd like to thank Dr. De Cruz, Dr. Sevanti, Dr. Sampada for being here. Thank you so much. And you know, you've always been there to support us, and without you, I don't think this function could have been possible. And above all, I feel really happy when I speak about Sonali, who's been with me from day one and always championed the cause of cancer and has always been, you know, here on this platform. Thank you so much, Sonali. And our special, very special guest is Hina. I just made one call to her because I have been following her actually. I've been following her journey, seeing her courage, her determination, and with all that, always smiling and always giving hope to people. And she's here with us today to speak about her journey. So thank you very, very much, Hina. I'm not going to take up much of your time. I want to thank each and every one today. I want to thank Tata Memorial Hospital who have a kiosk here, and please go to that kiosk because you will know more about cancer and about early detection. We have the Nargis Dutt Foundation kiosk here, so please avail of the benefits there. All my friends present here, the press who've come here, thank you very much. And a special and a very big thank you for my entire team. I'm not going to name each and every one of you, and you all know who you are. Thank you very much. And I hope you all have a good time. Thank you.
Namaste, good evening. It's wonderful, wonderful to be here. And as usual, first of all, I would like to congratulate Priya and everybody at Nargis Dutt Foundation for the wonderful job they do through the year, but also on this special day, that is the World Cancer Day, 4th of February, because I've been coming here, I think, almost from the time that I've been back from my treatment. I've been coming here and it's been wonderful. I look forward to it actually, because I get to meet a lot of people, talk about it, and you know, the best part about today and the function that Priya organizes is that it's a happy place, it's a hopeful place. And that's what I think, you know, when a foundation works with people, that's what they're doing, they're providing hope. I think everybody here is quite familiar with my journey and how I went through. And thank you so much for the kind words. When you say a warrior, a survivor, I just want to say that I want to be a thriver. I want to thrive in life, because what happens is, thank you, once you've been through this, you've been so close to seeing maybe the other side, but you just want, you come back and every minute and every moment is precious and you want to live it fully. You want to thrive every moment. So that's what I want to be known as a thriver who lived every moment. The World Cancer Day for me is special because it is one of those days in the year when it reminds me when the old patterns start setting in, old ways of thinking start setting in. This day reminds me that it's not too far away, anything can happen any day. You have to make most of every moment that you get. And remember the two hashtags that were there, one day at a time and switch on the sunshine. And that has to be the mantra every day of our lives. You know, in my introduction, I was introduced as the actor, the author, you know, a book club, a mother, a daughter. There are so many labels that we have. And yes, they are a part of me, no doubt about it. But as my journey of 6 years of healing and recovery, I would say that the label, if that can be called that I would love to have is somebody who brought awareness. Diagnosed with cancer, and when I put it out, I realized nobody was talking about it. It was very hush-hush, it was whispered. People, you know, kind of, it was like a taboo, unsaid taboo. And that was when I said that as a public figure, this is where I can contribute. Because awareness is so important. Like Priya said, that if you're aware, you're going to go in for the testing, you will detect it early, and early detection saves lives. There's nothing more important than detecting it early. That was my case too. I should have been able to, with all the exposure, education, and what do I say, the facilities at my that I could benefit from. Still, it took, by the time I discovered my cancer, I was at the 4th stage. And it needn't have been that. And that was a lesson that I learned, that I could have detected it much earlier. And the journey needn't have been as hard as it was. We all know that when you go all the way to the 4th stage, the kind of treatment that you have to go through is so harsh. The side effects of that treatment, the recovery from the treatment, the healing from the treatment is worse than the disease itself. And that is why early detection is so important. We needn't lose loved ones. If we can talk about it, we can spread this message. We don't need to be doctors, we don't need to be technicians, we don't need to know too much about the disease to know the fact that it needs to be spoken about. It should not be something that should be hidden. It's not something that you should blame the patient for. It is something that can happen to anybody in any strata of society. It doesn't mean that you have a bad lifestyle. Yes, all those things contribute, but there should be no blame. It should be something that we should all have conversations about. And especially here, we are all educated people. It's a conversation that we need to have with people who are not so exposed, who are not so aware, of people who we employ, of people who work with us. You know, bring these conversations, make it normal, make it something that so that the awareness increases, so that people go in for testing early and you can detect it early. The other main thing is that where testing is concerned, a lot of times we all go into the whole testing zone and saying, I know that there's a huge reason why people think that we wasted the money. See, they made us test and nothing came out of it. But you know, when nothing comes out of it, we need to celebrate it, not feel bad about the money that we have lost. We need to celebrate the fact that nothing came out of it. So testing is important. Unfortunately, there is no other way to tell you that yes, this is the case. So we have to go through testing. Don't blame the doctors when they ask you to test. It's for your benefit. So early detection saves life. And for early detection, awareness is important. This is one of those days. Let's bring more awareness about this disease, which is much more scarier, which is not as scary as we make it out to be if it is detected earlier. Thank you so much. And once again, congratulations to Priya and to Nargis Dutt Foundation for the wonderful, wonderful work we do. Yes, one more shout out to Tata Memorial and to the kiosk over there. Lots of amazing, amazing work done by the hospital, and the amount of help that they give out is so amazing. So to both Tata Memorial and to Nargis Dutt Foundation, lot of gratitude, lot of thank you, and all the best. And any time that I can be there for you, I'm always there. Thank you all again. Have a good evening.
Thank you, Sonali. That was very inspirational. Your words are truly felt, embraced, and etched in our hearts. We are inspired by your strength and positivity. Let's give Sonali a round of applause, please.
Even today, it is the second commonest cancer in women in India. If you look at the statistics, more than 1,20,000 women are diagnosed every year, and more than 70,000 women die of this year. 80% of the women are able, we are not listening to the doctor, and hence we diagnose these cancers in advanced stages.
Okay, firstly ma'am, good to see you.
Thank you. The third thing is the taboo that is associated with this word cancer. Another thing is this is a cancer
ये Nargis Dutt Foundation 42-year-old 43rd year है ये साल तो actually 43 years हो चुके हैं और इतने सालों से इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और प्रिया इतना डेडिकेशन के साथ काम करती है जब हर साल जब वो बुलाती है तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है I love what they do और बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट काम करते हैं इसलिए मुझे यहाँ आना अच्छा लगता है क्योंकि ये अवेयरनेस बढ़ाता है जो बहुत ज़रूरी है।
They feel awkward to speak to somebody else about these symptoms, hence they don't reach the doctors.
All others, you know, when they hear the word cancer,
So,
they do get scared.
Since this is a major problem in the
नहीं वो
society,
डरना तो चाहिए है ही डरावना
today I'm going to tell
लेकिन
you
मैं
about
यही
how
कहूँगी
can
कि
we
अर्ली
prevent
डिटेक्शन
it.
सेव्स
To
लाइफ
prevent
तो
something,
आप इसको जल्दी डिटेक्ट करोगे तो इतना डरावना नहीं है फिर जब आप फर्स्ट स्टेज या सेकंड स्टेज में इसको पकड़ लेते हो तो इट कैन बी क्योर्ड जैसे डॉक्टर ने अभी बताया 90% चांसेस होते हैं क्योरिंग के सो दैट्स ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ चांसेस एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप टेस्ट करें, स्कैन करें, खुद को लोगों को आजू बाजू एजुकेट करें थोड़ा कि साइंस क्या होने चाहिए और कभी भी कुछ भी अनयूजुअल है डॉक्टर के पास चाहिए स्कैन कीजिए it early you can
more than 90% of the cervical cancers are caused by this virus. Other cancers that are caused are other anogenital cancers or oral cancers.
पर है इसका इलाज है और जितना जल्दी आप उसको डिटेक्ट करो उतना जल्दी इलाज हो सकता है सो डेफिनेटली ये इलाज तो है इसका और उसके बाद में आप दवाई कैसे टाइम पे लेंगे आपकी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड आप क्या रखोगे आप किस तरह का खाना खाओगे किस तरह की चीजें किस तरह आप रेस्ट करोगे सब भी इम्पोर्टेंट है दवाइयों के साथ
what we call as immune system. When a virus comes into the body, our immune response attacks against it, creates a fighter and pushes out this virus out of the body.
अगर मैं कर पाई तो कोई भी कर सकता है इसलिए हार नहीं मानना हमेशा अपने माइंड को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखो और यही याद रखना कि अगर मैं कर पाई तो वो भी कर सकते हैं
It will remain.
Thank you.
Remaining virus which we call as persistent viral infection.
Thank you for this wonderful introduction. Oh, this is me for the first time in front of you people, and I'm addressing so many people. I've not done this before. I was diagnosed 8 months back. I'm still undergoing my treatment, and please bear with me. I'll just take 10 minutes of yours, but I have some important points to discuss, to talk with you, to let you guys know that how I felt in this journey, and it's okay. It's hard, but it's okay. So firstly, it's such an honor to join this movement with all you beautiful people over here. And this beautiful, honorable panel. I want to thank Nargis Dutt Foundation and Priya Dutt for inviting me here. It's truly, truly an honor. Thank you so much. So today is the World Cancer Day. It's the 25th year since its inception in the Paris Summit. We all know about it, and the motive behind this was to spread awareness, cancer awareness, as much as possible, as much as we can, which is why we celebrate World Cancer Day every month since 25 years. And I hope and I pray we have a day in our lives when we celebrate this Cancer Day with a complete cure to cancer. I myself wasn't aware of a lot of things about cancer, like all of you. And now I know a bit, probably 10% of my journey, the cancer I was detected with, because I was diagnosed with it. Then you start researching, then you want to know, kya hua, kaise hua, kyun hua.
Why?
You know, in today's time, I think we struggle to educate the much larger section of society because we humans, we are distracted, and we are just divided, distracted, and we discriminate against cancer. And we only want to know about it when we are diagnosed, when it happens to us or someone in our families, our loved ones. Only then we talk about it. Otherwise, we just don't talk about it. We are just क्यों बात करना है, क्या बात करना है, नहीं, कैंसर के बारे में कोई बात मत करो. I was like that. 8 months back, I was exactly like this. So I get it. But my beautiful, lovely people over here, cancer does not discriminate. It can go to any country, it can get into any skin color. It doesn't, it doesn't discriminate in gender, religion, rich, poor, nothing. Everyone is equal for cancer. So we are forced, we're really forced to follow a certain path when we are diagnosed, because we want to recover, because we are diagnosed, only then. Otherwise, we don't make this effort. And I feel we should make that conscious effort, like Dr. Sevanti said, that it's so important to get screened. You said, ma'am, I don't know, I feel with my journey, I think we should get screened every 6 months. Because what I dealt with, I was a person who used to get screened every year without fail, and I still got it. And according to my doctors, I got it in 4 months. So I think 6 महीना में एक बार, we all should get screened. 15 minutes लगते हैं, ज़्यादा time नहीं लगता है, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. I think we all should do it. It's very, very, very important. Early diagnosis is like half battle won. If you're diagnosed in the early stage, stage 1, stage 2, you will be okay. You will be fine. Nothing's going to happen to you. It's, I'm very sorry, it's a bit hard for me to, like Dr. Sevanti said, we come here, we smile, we talk about it with a smile on our face. But for me,
because it's my first time, and I am actually revisiting my entire journey of 8 months. So it's a bit hard, so please bear with me. So cancer, for some, it may be less painful compared to somebody who has had a worst stage of cancer and cannot see through it, cannot see the end to it, is still dealing with it. But even in that matter, the treatment is extremely, extremely harsh for everyone. It is very, 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 very tough. And this is perhaps that this disease is considered to be a taboo, and people are more dreaded by the treatment than the disease itself. Because we are too scared of this treatment कि क्या होगा, बहुत ही problem होती है, बाल चले जाते हैं, सब हो जाता है. It happens, I agree. And this is the reason that we are limited in spreading the awareness about cancer. We are not able to normalize it because we don't want to talk about it. We just don't want to talk about it. कैंसर है, किसी को मत बात करो प्लीज़, नहीं नहीं नहीं. आपको टेस्ट कराना चाहिए, हाँ हाँ कराऊंगी, कोई बात नहीं है, कराऊंगे. साल निकल जाते हैं, 2 साल निकल जाते हैं, we don't get tested. This the fear of unknown ना, एक दिन हम सबको ले डूबेगा क्योंकि हम डरते हैं. डरना नहीं है. Someone on the stage right now, I just can't. Yeah, Sonali, when she said कि हाँ ठीक है ना, टेस्ट हो गया, क्या ठीक था ना, देखो डॉक्टर ने ऐसे ही टेस्ट कराया. आपको नहीं अंदाज़ा है कि वो कितनी बड़ी खुशी है कि आपके टेस्ट में कुछ नहीं आया. Us, how hard it is. I'm so sorry. कितना हार्ड है वो रिपोर्ट पढ़ना, वो घंटे. when you get that report and you go to your doctor and the doctor diagnoses you with certain things, उससे बेटर है, पैसे वेस्ट हो रहे हैं, आपका टेस्ट हो रहा है, आप बिल्कुल ठीक है, इससे बड़ी खुशी कोई नहीं है. पैसा वेस्ट नहीं हुआ है. So I decided मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, what can I do in this journey. किसी ने मुझे बोला कि this happened to you because God wanted you to use this proverbial megaphone in my capacity, जितने भी लोगों को मैं inspire कर सकती हूँ. Which is why you got this. This is one way to look at it, and I want to look at it like that. Probably my journey can help someone, inspire someone. So I thought, okay, let me normalize it. Let me start talking about it. Let me tell people how I dealt with it, or how am I dealing with it. What am I doing? What am I eating? I'm still dealing with it. My treatment is still on. I will talk about it बहुत 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 विस्तार से, लेकिन सही वक्त पे. फिलहाल मेरे कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं जो मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. So when I was diagnosed, I kept on thinking कि how do I inspire people? क्या करूँ? People who are already suffering and people who don't talk about it, who don't even talk about it because of the fear. So what do I tell them? Do I only tell them about hardships and pain? So how am I spreading the awareness? I'm not, because nobody is going to listen to me. Nobody wants to listen to pain. Nobody wants to listen to hardships. People want to listen to the brighter side. So let me pick up strength. क्योंकि है, if there are good days if there are bad days, there are good days too, and a lot of them. सबसे पहले मैं आप सबको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि कैंसर इज सर्वाइवेबल, और आज के टाइम में इट्स मोर सर्वाइवेबल एवरी डे एज टाइम गोज ऑन. वी हैव बेटर infrastructure, medical infrastructure, better testing, like doctor also said. We are doing good. I got treated here. I said, okay, fine, I have to travel. I'm going to Sloan Kettering or probably MD Anderson. मैं कुछ भी कर लूँगी. I have to go. I'm not going to get myself treated here. But then I spoke to a lot of people who said, हमारे हिंदुस्तान में सब कुछ है. We have best of the best doctors, the best of the best treatment, and जो मुझे समझ में आया है मेरी जर्नी में, the line of treatment for any diagnosis is exactly same worldwide. You will be given the same medicine in America as well, what you will be given here. कुछ अलग नहीं है. तो I decided I'll do it here in India. I'll do it in Mumbai. We have the best of the doctors. And trust me, I'm not saying this because I'm an actor, I'm a public figure, or या फिर मेरे पास resources थे, yeah, I can afford it. No. I have been to so many hospitals, Tata Memorial Hospital, so many times to meet doctors, where I interacted with a lot of patients. Lot of them. They narrated their stories. कैसे हुआ, क्या हुआ. You know, some of them, please listen to this, please. Some of them come from different parts of the country, take their chemo infusion, sleep on the footpath, next day catch the train or a bus and go back to their places and work. They don't rest. They work because they have a family to run. And after 21 days, they are back for their next chemo infusion. And you know what's the best part? They heal. They recover. They are completely cured. So I took inspiration from such heroes. And I decided that I am going to put my mind, my soul, energy, power into the right direction. And if you do so, we can do the unthinkable. Trust me. I don't want to be bitter. I decided that I am not going to be bitter in this journey. I am only and only going to choose love. And trust me, love can heal the world. Love has the power to heal everything around you. Of course, apart from the treatment. The right state of mind plays a very important part. A very, very crucial part in this journey. It's a very, very long journey. The right frame of mind, your mental health plays a very, very, very important part. I remember when I started, I was too scared to even look. You know, when they used to, आप सबको पता ही होगा जब हम कीमो लगने वाला होता है तो आइस बॉक्स में एक चीज़ आती है जिससे आप बहुत डरते हैं. I used to like look away. I remember मेरे 2 कीमो infusions में I just used to look away and I just did कर दो please. I just don't want to even look at it. But I realized, after my 2 cycles, I realized, what am I doing? If I have to love everything around, then I have to love and bless my treatment as well. And then I decided, Hina, you're not going to look away. Look at that vial. That vial, that chemo is healing you. So bless that chemo. Bless it. My doctors tell me that human body is miraculous, and I believe him. As I said, apart from treatment, our bodies have a secret register. I truly completely believe in it, that we have a secret register. If we do positive things, think positively, do everything in a positive manner, no matter what the situation is, how the situation is, the good cells in our body, trust me, the good cells in our body, they listen to us. I believe that this positivity somehow reaches to our good cells, and they do a much better job in eradicating those harmful and bad cells from our body. So positivity makes a lot of difference, and mental health, good mental health, makes a lot of difference. So give your body all the love it deserves, and trust me, your body will give you that love back. I know some days are bad, worst. Just push through those days for those few good ones and live those good days with the best of your ability. Do what you want to do, whatever your body allows. In my chemo journey, I did everything, whatever my body and my doctors allowed me to do. Everything. You all, if some of you follow me, you must have seen, I was very active in my journey, because to each his own, everybody is different, but I could. So I did. Because I felt good. When I traveled, when I did a lot of things, when I did little shoots here and there, whatever I could do, I felt good. And what your doctors, first thing they tell you, आप रेस्ट कीजिए, अपनी बॉडी की सुनिए, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ जो चीज़ आपको अच्छा फील करा रही है ना, वो कीजिए. How well they looked after me, my doctors, Dr. Mandar Nadkarni. He is an angel. जिस तरह से उन्होंने मेरा ख्याल रखा है, जिस तरह से उन्होंने मुझे ट्रीट किया है, he gave me so much power, so much inspiration that Hina, you will get through this. So as I said, this journey is not just mine. My doctor has lived this journey with me. So it's not my journey alone. It is our journey. A journey of a patient and a doctor. And believe me, doctors live a different journey through each of us many times over. हमारे लिए तो सिर्फ हमारी जर्नी है. उनके लिए वो कितनी बार ये जर्नी जीते हैं और हर बार उनको दुख होता है. They have a heart too. They feel very bad. I want to say this. If God exists on earth, it is you guys, ma'am. Both the doctors I have here, it's you guys. Trust me. To all the doctors in this world, to all the doctors sitting here, my doctors, thank you so much with folded hands. We are alive only because of you. आप बोलते हैं ना कि आपने क्या किया, आपको अंदाजा नहीं है आप क्या करते हैं. आप सच में भगवान हैं. I followed everything my doctors asked me to do, and in fact I kept telling myself, motivating myself, Hina, there was a day you didn't have cancer, and now you have it, and there will be a day when you will not have cancer. So fight it. And who knows, today could be that day, because I'm still going through it. Fingers crossed. So I choose strength and positivity, no bitterness or blame. No blame game, no blame game. You know, people often come to me everywhere. जहाँ भी मैं जाती हूँ, people come. पहले ऐसा होता था कि people used to come to me and take pictures with me. But now people don't come and take pictures with me. they just come, they talk to me, ask me how am I, kaisa hai aapka sab, we pray for you. Some of them cry, hug me, and I'm like, what is happening? It's so heartwarming. And then I question myself, ki, Hina, do you deserve this? Yes, I do. I deserve this. Because I put my mind and my soul in the right direction towards positivity. And trust me, whatever you'll give out to the world is going to give you that back. These people come to me because somewhere they feel connected. Somewhere they feel they get that strength, that power. So my humble request to all of you who have cancer is to be brave and bring brightness even when you are dark. Even when everything seems dark, you'll see the light will follow you. But you're also brave if you don't. If you don't do anything, you're still brave. You don't talk to anyone, you're still brave. You want to do something else, you're still brave. You want to get through this quietly, you're still brave. It doesn't matter. No matter what you do, you will be called a brave soul for fighting cancer, surviving cancer, and surviving this treatment. With this, I feel, on a lighter note, this World Cancer Day should be perhaps called World Bravery Day. Isn't it? Because we are so brave. So brave. What all we go through. To all you people out here, I give you so much love and strength. I know what you all have been through. And I love each one of you. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening to me. And thank you. Thank you for doing this, Priyaji, everyone, for love and humanity. Thank you.
For so many patients out there.
Speech by Hina has been so emotional, so emotional. And I think it has really touched everyone's heart here. So I want to just give a heartfelt thank you. Thank you for taking time out and being here with us. Dr. De Cruz, who's not here with us, thank him from the bottom of my heart.
जगह ही नहीं मिल रही है मैं मार दो
नहीं पहले मान ओके रेडी
हमारा एक फोटो चाहिए था हमें
ऐसे लो आप लुक वन मोर होल्ड
आराम से तुम वहाँ पर खड़े हो जाओ साइड गाइस रेडी
आराम से
ओके पीछे थोड़ा
बंद करा दो ना म्यूजिक
अरे म्यूजिक तो मत नहीं होगा अभी ना
फर्स्टली गाइस गुड टू सी यू हिना मैम
थैंक यू
चलो थैंक यू बहुत जर्नी आपका देख के हर कोई रो रहा था हर एक फैन ऐसा लग रहा था उनकी लाइफ आपको बता रही है फर्स्टली क्या कुछ कहना चाहिए
मैं आज पहली बार किसी जगह पे ओवरवेल्म हुई हूँ या मेरा थोड़ा सा टीयर अप हुई हूँ आज तक कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ इतने सारे लोगों की जर्नी देख के बहुत इंस्पिरेशन मिली दिस वुमन शी इज द बिगेस्ट इंस्पिरेशन व्हाट शी इज डूइंग फॉर पीपल is amazing. Nargis Das Foundation, and I really want to thank you, Priyaji, for having me.
It's been an honor that she came and graced this occasion, you know, and मैं भी follow करती हूँ उनको. I've been actually seeing her journey, and I just find her an extremely brave and positive young woman. and I think a great inspiration to so many.
So are you?
And we want to get to know about the update of your health. And being a cancer patient, you do inspire many of them. So what keeps you inspiring person?
All these people, आप देखिए ना, आज बात कर रहे थे ये लोग, कोई 40 years से cured है, किसी का relapse हुआ है, लेकिन फिर भी कितना motivated है, कितना positivity है. So all of this is so positive and encouraging.
People who want to get updated.
Doing better, recovering. Thank you. Please keep it up there.
She will be recovering even further.
Inshallah.
Everybody's prayers and everything is with her.
Thank you.
She'll be fine.
One more.